Our last match. Autonomous mode in 3, 2, 1, go. Nuclear Mines has retrieved a Sky Stone. But they have knocked Gears of War out of their parking space. You can't decide what it's doing.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And Blue Alliance has got their foundation in the sight, and so does the Red Alliance. Nuclear Mines has got a 3-level skyscraper and headed to the depot. And Gears of War has lost one of their numbers. Ooh, a collision there. Heritage is trapped and free. "30 seconds left. "10 seconds left. Nuclear Mines capstone, was on and thrown out. And Gears of War is parked. Time. Great job, teams. What are we doing?